Oh yeah, population growth. A biologist is studying green peach aphids like the one shown at the left. Ooh, I had a cousin named Aphid. In the lab, the population doubles every week. The expression 1,000 times 2 to the W models an initial population of 1,000 insects after W weeks of growth. So, look at that formula. You have 1,000 times 2 to the W. So the 1,000, the number without the exponent, represents the initial amount. And then the 2 comes from the word doubles. So if it said quadruples, there'd be a 4 there. If it said quintuples, a 5. So this comes from doubles. Doubles. So A says evaluate the expression for W equals 0, then describe what the value of this expression represents in this situation. So we need to substitute in 0 for W. 1,000 times 2 to the 0 power. Now, do we do multiplication or exponents first? We do exponents first. 2 to the 0 power, what's anything to the 0 power? 1. So we have 1,000 times 1, which is 1,000. And then it says describe what this value represents in this situation. So this is saying there are 1,000 insects, aphids, at the first week that they checked. So at week 0, the initial population was 1,000. The initial population when they started recording this and analyzing this, when they started studying was 1,000 insects. Cool. Then evaluate the expression for W equals -3. Then describe what the value of this expression represents in the situation. So let me scooch down here. So we have to put in 2 to the -3rd power. Let's handle our exponents first. 2 to the -3rd becomes 1 over 2 to the 3rd power. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So this becomes 1,000 times 1 over 8, which you can turn that into 1,000 over 1 if you'd like. And if you simplify that, it'd be 1,000 over 8, which is 125. So there it is when we evaluate it. Now, what does that mean in this situation? Well, W is the number of weeks. So at week 0, when we started, it was 1,000 insects, and it doubles every week. So week 2 would be 2,000, 4,000, 8,000. But -3 represents 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks in the past. So 3 weeks ago, the population was 125. Pretty crazy.